Okay, so use the intermediate value theorem to show that there is a root, because there's an answer where you can replace an x with a value between 0 and 1, which will satisfy this equation. So let's bring this over to the left side. You get plus 2x minus 3. And let's let this right here our function f at x. Let's plug in 0. So the left end of the interval, you get 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. Let's plug in 1. Okay, so that right there is approximately 2.7. So you can see that this is positive and this was negative. And because this is a continuous function, this is also a continuous function, right? So the sum of two continuous functions is a continuous function. And we've basically just shown that at 0, right, at 0, when you plug in 0 into the function, you get negative 2. And when you plug in 1, you get something positive, so a little bit above. So what the intermediate value theorem tells us is that if a negative y value were to go up to a positive value, it has to pass through the 0 point. Okay, so there, let's call that C. There exists a C such that if you plug that C into the function, this right here, it will be 0. Which means that particular C will also satisfy the original equation. So you say basically, therefore, by intermediate value theorem, okay, this is what you will write on a test. There exists a C such that f of C is equal to 0, and the reason is because of these two have the opposite sign. This is negative and this is positive.